In this video, we're going to talk about Calvaria, which is a brand new play-to-earn battle card game. Obviously, nothing I say on this video is financial advice, also do your own research. Let's dive into it, guys. So jump over to the Calvaria website, which, as always, is linked down below in the description. You can see that this is a play-to-earn battle card game, which we know are very, very popular because tons of different games around the world have come out and have succeeded in this niche. But by combining this particular niche of game with play-to-earn, then you can see that we've possibly got a bit of a recipe for success there. So let's dive in and take a look at what's going on. Right now they are in the pre-sale and there is good opportunity to get involved in this project at a reduced rate, and we'll find out a bit more about how to do that in just a bit. Coming down below you can see that they're already supported by some of the biggest names in the game of crypto, and then you can see that they've been mentioned in various different news articles. If you come down below, guys, you can see there's also kind of a bit of feature about the gameplay, all shown in this video here with all the different cards. And basically you're in battles against other players within the game, using your cards to kind of build up an army and fight against them. There's also an NFT marketplace incorporated in there and a staking platform, which we'll take a look at as well. There's a fairly in-depth story here about the kind of the background of the game. And that's really important when you look at NFT projects, play-to-earn games, etc., because the kind of storyline behind the game usually adds a lot of value to a particular project. Coming down below, guys, here's some of the different characters, and then you can see sort of the cards here. You can see the name. We've got Santa Muerta here. She is a deity, the more ambitious overseer of the afterlife. And then El Medito in the middle, agile and unpredictable, relishes in any destruction. You see basically they all have their own kind of character traits, and these are all kind of like playing into the whole story idea. If we look down below, guys, you can see some of the different graphics and stuff included in the game, and it's pretty nice to see kind of a fairly unique artwork that we've got going on here. And within each of these lands, you obviously have different characters. And these are the characters here that would live within Miakilia. Obviously, they all have sort of different traits, different features, and they are kind of different in appearance from one level to another. This is all the different layers. Again, we've got like the Void. These are the characters within the Void. You can see kind of like a more dark theme here. Roused to sentience, Void itself seeks complete emptiness. And then down below, guys, we've got information on the allocation. Always important when we're looking at new projects that we potentially want to invest in to see how the allocation is basically divided up. There's 1 billion RIA tokens. I'm going to show you a giveaway that they're doing at the moment for $100,000, where you can go across and win with a chance of winning $100,000 worth of RIA tokens. Okay, we're looking into the roadmap, guys. Coming out to Q4 2022, most importantly here, guys, we've got the RIA pre-sale, which is obviously exciting, and I'm going to show you how you can get involved in purchasing those tokens at pre-sale and all the advantages of doing such a thing. Down below we've got the team. Always good to have transparency and some images for people, then the partners and some other information and things like that. Loads of information available here, guys, if you want to get down in that link to come across. But let's find out how you can go across and buy RIA. In order to buy RIA, actually a very simple process. Once you come to the website, guys, click on this at the top, or you can come down to this particular one here. You can see it's nearly finished. They have almost completed this pre-sale. So if you want to get involved, do not miss out, because getting involved at pre-sale gives us a great opportunity. You see they've already raised 2.2 million USDT, which is pretty significant and shows that they are nearly at their completion. They've already sold 123 million out of 150 million RIA tokens. Clicking on buy now, then that will bring me to this particular page, and then all I've got to do, guys, is connect a wallet. I can choose MetaMask or Wallet Connect, and then ensuring that you've got USDT in your MetaMask wallet, you can then go ahead and purchase the RIA, which is obviously great. And the best thing about getting involved in a project right now that's already seen a bit of success, they've already done a lot of fundraising, but ultimately the market or crypto market right now is very, very low down. So when you get involved in these newer projects that have already good backing, then you can see a massive inflation in the price when the crypto market builds, as well as more interest builds in this particular game. Obviously, that's not financial advice, guys. Do your own research, because trading can still be risky. Jumping over to Twitter then, guys, which is a great way to keep up to date on this particular project. You can give them a follow over here. You can see already 58.9 thousand followers, which indicates to me why it was so easy for them to raise those millions of dollars to get the project off the ground. You can see down below that there's an opportunity to win $100,000 worth of RIA. You can see that they're currently giving away $100,000 worth of RIA tokens, which is really exciting. Here are the rules on how you can enter. So go ahead and do that, guys. If you come down below, they have various other announcements and updates all the time, so it's a great way to keep up to date with what the team is doing there. So in summary, guys, Calvaria is a very exciting play to earn battle card game. We already know that these types of projects can be extremely popular. They've already done a good deal of fundraising, and there's not much time left to get involved at the pre-sale price. Often when you buy at pre-sale, there's a great opportunity to see a markup because they will tend to sell them at a discount in order to encourage people to come in and invest. If you want to find out more, guys, go to the link down below in the description. If you got any value out of this video, guys, hit that like button. It really helps me out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about play to earn gaming, crypto, NFTs, and so much more, make sure you hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.